Welcome. If you want to manage notification options on your UMIDIGI One Pro, let's go to the settings, click on the apps and notifications, click on the notifications, and as you can see we have a couple of options. We can enter the app notifications, so we can set up the notification for every application. So for example, we can go to the Gmail and turn off the notifications from this application. Also we can set the notification on the lock screen, notification dots, and we can change the notification sound. So set it up like you want and enjoy this function in your UMIDIGI One Pro. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.